going to tell you a story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a family of bears. There's Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear. One morning, Mama Bear is making porridge for the family. Yummy! The big bowl is for Papa Bear, the medium bowl is for Mama Bear, the smallest bowl is for Baby Bear. Papa Bear said, "The porridge is still hot. Let's just go for a walk and while it cools off." So they went for a walk. A few moments later, there was a girl in front of the yard. It's Goldilocks. Goldilocks is very tired and hungry. So she went in the house. In the house, she saw the porridge. So she tried them all. The big bowl is too hot. The medium bowl is too cold. And the smallest bowl is just right. So she ate the small bowl. After that, she went in the living room. The green chair is too rough. The red chair is too soft. And the smallest chair is too small for Goldilocks. Then the smallest chair breaks in parts. I don't think Baby Bear doesn't appreciate that. So she still feels tired. So she went upstairs. There's three bears. Bed. There's the big bed is still so rough. The medium bed is so soft. And the smallest bed is just right. Very comfortable. So she slept in that bed. When the family arrives, Baby Bear is crying because of his porridge was eaten and his chair was broke in parts. So Baby Bear cried a lot. Mama Bear and Papa Bear looks very confused. They don't know that Goldilocks is at their house. When they went upstairs, they found Goldilocks. Papa Bear and Mama Bear is very furious to see Goldilocks sleeping in Baby Bear's bed. So they kicked Goldilocks out. Goldilocks ran downstairs and said to herself that I will never ever went to someone's house without an invitation. So fellow friends, don't go to a random house without invitation. Bye! Have a nice day.